I don't know if I'm being too harsh, but yeah, no, it wasn't me who ran 10 stores flop. Someone on Discord was telling me not to start Etsy because of his 10 stores flopped. And ever since, I've lost all the motivation to start Etsy, to be honest. Well, bro, the problem lies with you're listening to some guy on Discord. If you start 10 stores and you genuinely put a bit of effort into it, how easy it is to just make some money. I'm not saying you're going to make millions, because obviously it takes real work and knowledge and figuring all these things out to make a lot of money. But if you have 10 stores you put effort in, it's literally impossible not to. It's, yeah, like, it's just the way to think about it, the way I like to think about it is like purely supply and demand. Like if you look at the Etsy platform, there's very little people doing the Etsy platform correctly in terms of dropship products. Whereas if you look at like something like Shopify dropshipping 5 years ago, the reason why it was a lot easier 5 years ago is purely because there wasn't many people doing it really well. Whereas if you look at Shopify dropshipping now, there like obviously there's still loads of money to be made there, but it just takes so much more effort to make the same money that you would have done 5 years ago because there's so many more intelligent people on the platform. Whereas with Etsy, there's so few actually intelligent sellers on the platform, it's just kind of easy basically. Yeah, and like literally just start. I feel like with Etsy, there's a money limit too compared to Shopify dropshipping. Yeah, literally just start. Like Wave is saying, like literally just start. Like that's the thing. Like that is some people's like objection to starting Etsy dropshipping. Like, oh, I'm not going to be able to make tens of millions, so I don't want to start. It's like that doesn't matter, and you also don't know what you're able to do. I mean, the biggest Etsy store is Caitlin Minimalist by the amount of orders. I think they just crossed over 3 million unique orders. They've done over like 18, $90 million in revenue. So it's like there are big players, but it's obviously a much smaller percentage. But it doesn't really matter. That's the thing is like a lot of people focus on trying to beat the world record for sprinting and sprinting 100 meters before they can even fucking walk. You know, you're trying to run a marathon and you can't even like walk 10 meters yet. It's like worry about walking 10 meters, worry about making your first 50, 100 grand online, or even your first $1,000 online, and then figure out how to make millions down the road. Like when I started dropshipping, I wasn't worried about making millions of dollars. I was just thinking, okay, I can make a bit of money and I'm going to learn a bunch of useful skills. In the future, I'm going to make more money because I'm learning all these cool skills now. So it's like, don't try and run. You're just going to fucking trip yourself up. Yeah.